Okay, this is John and Parita, and we're out here on the Labrador coast of the Philippines. You can maybe see the ocean in the background, but we've stopped here at a roadside seafood market, and we've got all kinds of fish for sale all over. Let's take a look at some of these. And squid. And look at that. Look at that big fish right there. And look at that big chunk of meat right there. Look at that. Wow. Take a look at that. But this is where we're at on the Labrador coast of the Philippines. Oh, look at that crab. She's trying to sell me a crab. Look at that. And he's alive and he's moving. Alright. Look at this. This is a mahi-mahi dolphin, I believe. I've seen these before. Yeah. So I thought you might like that, and maybe you can see in the distance, that's the ocean. Way back there, and that's where we're headed. We're headed to 100 Islands. So, but we stopped here. Look, yeah, right here. I believe that fish right there is a puffer fish. Yep, there we go. There's the ocean, and we'll see you again. Love y'all. God bless you.